Hey there, today we'll be doing this question that's 2368 reachable nodes with restrictions, which appeared in weekly contest 305. And the question statement is there is an undirected tree with n nodes labeled from 0 to n minus 1 and n minus 1 edges. You are given a 2D integer array edges of length n minus 1 where edges of I is equals to a of I, b of I indicates that there is a edge between a of I to b of I, and we are also given restricted array which represents the restricted nodes, and we just need to return the maximum number of nodes you can reach from 0 without visiting a restricted node. And note that node 0 will not be restricted node. That means we are always starting from 0. Now let's understand this question with this example given right here itself. And the prerequisite to this question would be a DFS. A simple DFS would be needed right here. Okay. So yeah, let's now begin with this. So you'll be given that edges will be given, okay, and this has been represented as a graph like this, and you'll be given restricted. Now restricted means that you cannot go to 4 and 5. Fine. Now any node that is connected to 4 and 5 after that is not achievable or can be visited to us. Let's just say there is a door, okay, let's just consider this as a door. Anything behind this door will not be visited, okay. So this is how you can simply understand this question statement. That means anything behind this node cannot be visited. So let's just say 6 is also connected to something like a 7. Since it is behind say 5, it cannot be visited, okay. So this is one simpler example. Now we start our simple DFS from the node 0, okay, and we just go on to 1. We see that okay, we can visit 1 can visit what else, 2 and 3, and similarly increment our count. So this is the whole explanation for this question part, and how will we going on doing the DFS part. Okay, so this question was pretty simple. We just need to take care of the implementation part. Now getting on to the implementation part, uh, I'll just go through this example also real quick in order to make you understand more better. So we start from obviously 0. We see that in the restricted array we have 4 to 1. That means this and this cannot be visited. So we just simply go through this path, okay. And yeah, this is it. Let's get on to the implementation part. So what I did was I created an adjacency list first. Okay. So you must know this part that we need to create an adjacency list or adjacency matrix, whichever you want. And I did it using adjacency list. And after that, what I did was, since it was mentioned in the question that it is an undirected graph, so you need to make an edge from whatever there is. Let's say there is an edge from 0 to 4. You also need to make an edge from 4 to 2. Okay, so these are the pretty basic things. And I made a can't go array which says that okay, these guys are restricted. So these whatever are restricted, I'm making sure that is marked, okay, in one of the arrays. And since n is given here, that is less than or equals to 10 to the power 5, so we can actually store that in an array. And there is a visited array, which we normally require in DFS, okay. And what did I do? I just simply said okay, now we'll do a DFS. Now coming on to the DFS function, this is the normal DFS function which we write for any one of them. The only thing that is different here is, in a normal DFS you would write only not visited of IT. That means if it has not already been visited. But here you also have to mention the fact that you cannot go to the nodes which are already restricted, which was provided in the restricted array. Okay, so this is the only part that you need to take care of. And you just simply uh, increment the count of visited when you visit a node. Okay, so this is the whole code on how to do this question. Okay, and if you want the code, I'll be linking it into the description also, so no need to worry about that. And I've already submitted this code also, okay, so no need to worry for that. You can check out this code also. And yeah, if you did understand the question and the explanation, please do like and subscribe. And yeah, thank you for watching.